If you want to add PayPal to Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to link your PayPal account so you can make purchases on Epic Games quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This is where Epic Games keeps your account options, so it's the first place you need to go. After clicking the profile icon, you'll see a menu appear. From that menu, select Account. This will take you into your Epic Games account settings. Now that you're inside your account, look for the Payment Settings section. This is where you can manage the payment methods connected to your Epic Games account. Click on Payment and then find the area labeled Add Payment Method. Here, you should see PayPal listed as one of the available options. Click on PayPal to begin the connection process. At this point, Epic Games will redirect you to a PayPal login page. Go ahead and log in to your PayPal account using the email and password associated with it. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one PayPal account. Once you're logged in, PayPal will ask you to confirm the connection between your PayPal account and Epic Games. Carefully review the details on the confirmation screen. If everything looks correct, confirm and link the account. This final step authorizes Epic Games to use PayPal as a payment method on your account. Once the confirmation goes through, you should be all set. Your PayPal account is now linked to Epic Games and ready to use for future purchases. If you ever want to check that it worked, you can return to the payment settings inside your Epic Games account and verify that PayPal appears under your saved payment methods. That's a good way to make sure everything was added successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to add PayPal to Epic Games. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, shopping on Epic Games becomes much easier. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.